your body or your choice. Every action you take builds the body you'll live in tomorrow. But when it comes to fitness, diet, and routines, the options are endless. Keto or vegan, weights or cardio, HIIT or yoga. Which one is right for you? Choose wrong, and you risk injury, burnout, or wasted years. Choose right, and you unlock a body that feels as powerful as your dreams. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path is built for your success. Quick question: if your future self could talk to you right now, would they high-five you or hand you a salad and a gym membership? 1. Strength training versus cardio. Do you want to build strength or stamina? Strength training sculpts muscle, boosts metabolism, and future-proofs your bones. Cardio supercharges your heart, improves endurance, and burns calories fast. Here's the truth: neither is better, but one might be better for you right now. Ask yourself, are you training for longevity or survival of your next beach run? Speaking of survival, let's talk about food wars. Second, high-protein diet versus plant-based eating. Meat or no meat? High-protein diets help rebuild muscles and keep you full longer. Plant-based diets flood your body with antioxidants and gut-friendly nutrients. Fear alert: following the wrong eating style for your body can wreck your energy, hormones, and gains. Up next, the silent killer that's hiding in plain sight on both sides. 3. Pushing hard versus listening to your body. No pain, no gain, or no brain, no gains. Pushing yourself builds resilience, but ignoring warning signs can spiral into chronic injuries. You're not weak for resting, you're wise for protecting your future. But how do you even know when to push or pause? The next choice might save your health journey altogether. 4th, home workouts versus gym membership. Save money or invest in momentum. Home workouts are convenient, flexible, and private. Gyms offer more equipment, structure, and motivation through environment. Where else can you accidentally bench next to a guy curling 300 pounds while you're sweating through air squats? But here's the real deal: environment shapes outcomes. Choose your space as carefully as you choose your program. And speaking of programs, there's one decision everyone gets wrong until it's almost too late. 5th, consistency versus intensity. Go hard or go home. Wrong. Consistency beats intensity every single time. A 20-minute walk every day beats a 2-hour brutal session once a week. Would you rather be a superhero once or a healthy legend forever? Choosing slow and steady growth isn't boring, it's genius. But let's zoom out even bigger, because the real win isn't just physical. 6. Looking good versus feeling good. Abs or energy, six-pack or strong back? Chasing the mirror leads to crash diets, body dysmorphia, and emotional burnout. Chasing strength, mobility, vitality, that builds a lifetime of health and self-respect. The real flex is feeling good at 80, not just looking good at 20. And the final choice? It's the one that separates winners from quitters. Grand finale: build your identity. Workout plan or lifestyle change. Anyone can follow a 30-day challenge. But true transformation happens when health becomes part of your identity. You are not on a diet. You are a healthy person. You are not hitting the gym. You are an athlete in training. The second you stop trying and start becoming, that's when you win forever. Choose the path that you can live with proudly. Choose the lifestyle that feeds your future self. Now it's your turn. Drop a flexed bicep emoji in the comments if you're committed to choosing your forever health. Smash that like button if you're ready to build not just a better body, but a better life. Subscribe for more powerful guides on designing your healthiest, strongest future. Remember, your best self isn't a dream, it's a decision. Which one will you choose today?